Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is company information. Company information page shows all the important information about your company. The page also includes the user and feature licenses purchased for the organization. Navigation of company information, setup, settings, security, company settings, company information. So to see the navigation, just log into our Salesforce account. So setup, settings, company settings, company information. We can find it out by searching the company information. So here we are seeing company information. This whole details we are getting: primary contact Salesforce network, organization name is network, it's registered in January, and which organization edition it's using, developer edition. So here user licenses is there, Salesforce integration, it's in active status. Total licenses 1, used licenses 0, remaining licenses is 1, and expiration date. So for the developer edition we are not seeing any expiration date. Salesforce is active and there are 2 licenses. Used licenses is 2, so there is no remaining license, and there is no expiration date. So we can see from here what are the licenses we have, what are the status for that particular license, how many number of licenses, how many number of used licenses, is there any remaining license, and what is the expiration date of particular license. So next is permission set licenses. So these many permission set licenses are there with all the details, feature licenses, uses based entitlements. So in this way we can check our company details. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.